Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers and sisters, let's start our session. So today is our test regarding some of the questions which I will ask you from the PowerPoint presentation. I will not share you the screen because then everyone can see and tell from watching all of the things which I have told you. So there are a few questions which I will ask you. What is science? And subjects in science and related things towards science. What do we do in science? Which will help us study different topics. Okay. So I will ask question and any one of you if they know about the question so they can answer that. Otherwise, Hashi, you can let me know that yes, you can tell the answer. Otherwise, you have to try your level best to tell me the answer. So, my first question is, what is science? Can anybody tell me?
Science, all the natural phenomena around us is science.
Great answer. Okay, so what is a natural phenomena?
Shining sun, growing plants, falling rain.
Okay, see, let me give the answer to you guys about what is science. Science is a, study on natural world and observe the things and physically do experiments and different other things. It is a very creative subject which is based on the natural thinking regarding the world, whole world. It includes different subjects, regarding our world. Okay, great answer. It was your great answer. Now my, second question is, what do we do in science, which will help us study the topics?
We do critical thinking about think what is happening here, and we do experiments. What will happen to do this, and what will happen to do that,
And
so on.
okay, so if we say for a short answer, these are the key aspects which science is based on. Evidences, okay, observation, gathering data from different areas, and hypothesis, experimentation, analysis, theory, and thinking, listening. I hope so you understand. Now, let me know about the subjects in science which we study or which we will study. There are so many. Come on, think.
Chemistry, physics,
Biology, physics, and zoology, and chemistry, and what more?
geography.
Okay. Hala, yes, your hand is raised.
Biology,
Okay.
chemistry,
The
physics.
answers A are, thank you very much for all of your responses. If we take it little bit in long terms, physics, chemistry, astronomy, and biology, zoology, botany, microbiology, earth and space sciences, geology, meteorology, oceanography, and environmental science, biochemistry, biophysics, astrobiology. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay. What do we learn in physics? Can you name some topics? we didn't start up till now, but I give you some examples.
Gravity.
Anyone else?
Electrics,
Physical things and
electricity. I think so. We study electricity in school.
Okay, great.
That's my favorite.
Yes, you're right, dear brothers and sisters. Gravity, and we can also say quantum mechanics, motion, matter, energy, fundamental forces of nature. Okay, what about chemistry?
You learn about chemicals.
What?
I'm not sure.
Yes, you're right about the chemicals. And different other things such as structures, properties, change of matter,
Atoms,
ato-
atoms.
yes, atomic structure, chemical reaction, periodic table, acids, different things, etc. All of you know about astronomy, so let's leave it. What about biology?
We learn about
Plants and
theories and
animals.
about living
1 minute.
organisms like animals, humans,
Yes, great.
and many things like that.
Yes, 1 minute now, Ashir. Yes, other people answer. Yes, Maz, Paula.
And animals. Learn about
Life you're talking about, okay? Especially.
living things.
Yes. So these are living organisms and their interaction, their habitats, human anatomy, plant and animal physiology, and mo- molecular biology. Okay. What about zoology? That's easy.
Study
We
about
learn about animals.
One by one. You can raise your hand and then to
We
whom
study about animals.
yes. Anybody else? Okay, so let me tell you. Where we study about animals and their behavior, structure, evolution, and physiology, behavior, as I told you, etc. And taxonomy. Now, what about botany?
study plants.
And
Where they grow.
okay, plants, fungi, and plant anatomy, photosynthesis, plant reproduction, taxonomy, ecology. What about microbiology?
Study of bacteria and virus.
And other people?
And their disease.
Yes. I hope you guys are not sleeping. I want you to answer. Yes.
Microorganisms. I'm awake.
Like fungi and like different other things as well, different other bacterias, microbial structure, infection diseases, and biotechnology. Okay, so now let's see about geology. Yes.
What is that? If
Study
you
Yes, study of Earth's physical structure and tectonic plates and different other things, earthquakes, volcanic activity, other things, etc. What about meteorology?
study of meteorite.
Yes, and other things, etc. Such as astronomy, atmosphere, weather and weather patterns, climate change, storm forecast. Okay. I hope so you understood. What about oceanography?
Study of ocean.
Yes, the study of ocean and its processes and tides, waves, impact of ocean on climate, moon and water. And now, tell me about environmental science.
Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean.
Hmm. What about environmental science?
Study of environment.
Yes. How do humans live and about the pollution and
About
conservation, ecosystems?
life chain,
Yeah, a little bit we can say how life changes, developments, other and other bad things. Now tell me about biochemistry.
Chemical chemistry inside the life.
Chemical processes within living organisms, right? Very good. You are responding. Maaz. Yes. So, where we check DNA, RNA, protein, and other things, etc. What about biophysics? Let me answer.
Physical changes on electric medium. Living medium.
So, no. Let me tell you. Molecular machines and biomechanics, natural, networks, neurogenetics, yes, etc. What about astrobiology? Come on, it's easy now.
Astrobiology. Aliens.
Okay, what about you, Mohammed Ashir? Where are you hiding?
I am just listening because I don't know about them all. How hard they are. Their name is.
Astrobiology, which means the search for life beyond Earth, the possibilities of extraterrestrial life like aliens and other things, habitability of planets, and origins of life beyond Earth.
Hmm.
So these are the things. So it means we are done with our test. Let me share my screen to show you guys. See, we are done with this. As we were done what is science and its importance origins, we will do now. See, right now I took all of this tests, geology, meteorology, okay? So now, um, yes. So today and this whole week which is coming, I want you guys to research on the origins of science as well as we will also do it together. Okay, so let me tell you. What do you think? What is origins of science? Yes, what do you think? What is the origins of science? Muhammad Ashir, you have to know about that. It's easy. Remember, we together read you with me read the article from Google. So you have to remember. Come on. What about you, Maaz? I cannot hear you. Hello, Maaz.
We are made up of cells.
Yes, now tell me. Origins of science. Can you tell me what is origins of science? What do you think?
Cell.
What?
Cell.
No. Let me tell you. What about you, Ashir? 1 minute. Let me ask from Ashir. Yes, what about you, Ashir? Ashir,
Yes,
can you tell me about the origins of science?
original science?
Origins of science, not original science. Do you know what is science? As
Yes,
we
I know.
discussed. Yeah, so tell me what is origins of science? Origins means from where basically something starts. Like my origins was that I was born on June 11. Okay, my origins was I was born at that time. So science origins is it's an easy answer, let me tell you. I don't know where is Hashir Ashir.
Nature. Nature.
I don't know what are you saying. Is nature.
Nature.
Oh, okay. See, as I told you about the natural thinking about the world, so now you get to know what is natural thinking about the world. Natural thinking about the world means we are thinking naturally about the world, about where is it going, what is the time going on, or what and what are the scenarios which are occurring, and global issues, political issues, and other things. But this natural thinking was from prehistoric era, from where people started doing the observations. They started hunting animals, checking their bones, and making things, stuff like that. And other things, they were observing the stars, constellations. Ancient civilizations then come, like Greece, and other areas as well, where we see about science. And Greeks are the prominent example of natural sciences. Okay, as they held debates onto their roads, and they talked about the natural world. And this is the Hellenistic period, Roman science. So this is an era where Rome was, we discuss about the Roman science. And we will also see for the Quran, because it was 1400 years ago it came. And Islamic golden age, Abbasid and Ottomans, 8th and 19th century, medieval Europe and Renaissance period, and scientific revolution of 16th to 18th century, modern age science. We will learn all of these topics are there. So 1 minute, let's see. 1 minute. Okay, so let's first discuss all of these things. So can you give me an example of the prehistoric sciences?
Astronomy.
And there are other things as well. What about you, Muhammad Ashir and Khoala? Yes. Okay, let me tell you. It's easy. I am giving you a question. Muhammad Ashir and Khala, not you, Muaz, because you gave me the answer properly. Now, Muhammad Ashir and Khala, I am telling you that there is no medicine made. We are in the prehistoric era. So, if the people are going into a disease, अगर लोगों को बीमारी हो रही है, तो उनके साथ क्या करना चाहिए? What to do with them? Kill them or save them?
Save them.
How to save them? How to save them?
उनका इलाज करेंगे.
By medicine.
बोटी.
नेचुरल मेडिसिन से इलाज करके.
Yes. So
injection.
There was no injection. Hashir, what happened? We are talking about the prehistoric era. There was no injection there. Okay. So what
अक्षर को
will we
कुछ
do?
नहीं
We
पता
will.
है ना, अक्षर यही कहेगा.
Okay, Asher was saying. So you can explain Asher. First, Asher, talk to Asher about it. And if Asher, it is, a genuine question, so you can let me know then. So if there would be no medicine, so then people would die. So medicines are also a part of science, little bit, because as I told you, learning about the organs and, about the structure of the human body, anatomy, sort of things, and how to fix all of the things and other things. So they, made the medicines. So this is how they, formed science gradually and simultaneously and made tools, observed the stars, constellations, and later on, fire was also discovered. Then what happened? They made writing, then they made different things, geometry, Euclidean Pythagoras theorem, debates they did, and they did war and they saw so many things, so many colors. So these are the things. Okay, Hashir and everybody, I hope so you understood. So now our session
Sir,
would
I
be.
am working, so I can't give you answer at time that you asked.
Okay, now everybody, let's wrap up our session. Maybe on Friday, yes. On Friday, I think so there is the time for science. So then on that day now we will do the half session for origins of science. So I want you to work on it during the weekend as well as till that day, Friday, which is day after tomorrow, okay? So until then, thank you very much, dear brothers and sisters. If you have any questions, so you can let me know. Otherwise, we will end this meeting. Okay, I don't think so. So let's wrap up, dear brothers and sisters.
Excuse me,
What?
हम अपना फर्स्ट टॉपिक कब स्टार्ट करेंगे?
This is already our
Science का
first topic about the origins of science. And after that, our topic will be prehistoric era. Oh, sorry, not prehistoric, not era. Big Bang era. And after that, the Big Bang era. After the Big Bang era, these type of topics will come, which are little hard to, understand or tell anybody, but we will try our level best. So until then, thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz.